Hi guys, my name is Tabitha and this is my little boy Slater.
Hello.
Today we're going to be showing you these miniature magnet tiles. So we're going to get these opened up and show you what they're like. These are going to be absolutely perfect for travel circumstances, or if you just have limited space, this is going to be a great option. Now I have 2 of these. Each box comes with 20 pieces, so I just wanted us to be able to create more shapes and get a little bit more creative with it. So far, they feel really well made. The magnets are nice and strong and the colors are really vibrant. Here's a little look at the colors that come in it. So there's a vibrant green, yellow, pink, and red, and then just some of the shapes that you get. There are some squares that also have little window shaped cutouts. So those are a lot of fun for building 3D structures like little houses and buildings. So these are definitely a lot of fun and can allow a child to get really creative and just play with their hands and get used to building things. So I love these not only for 3D shapes, but also for simple 2D shapes, maybe for younger children that need something more simple. They would be great as refrigerator magnets, and that could be a place that they can play. And the size of them is going to be great, whether it's just for space saving purposes or if you're wanting to take them on the go with you, if you're traveling and you want a toy to bring, or maybe if your child goes to preschool or kindergarten, what have you, this could be easily tossed into a bag as a toy that they can play with there. So if you guys were looking for a fun option for your child or maybe to gift someone, I think these are a really great option. They definitely feel very well made and they're a blast to play with, so I would definitely give them a try.